Well, guys, I've made the biggest decision ever. Well, no, with my parents' decision, because yeah, I'm dumb and I'm stupid, and I can't think for myself. Is I'm keeping the chickens, okay? Yep, I'm keeping the chickens, but on a much smaller note, because I've had them all my life and I really enjoy having them. So I've decided to do like 25 birds and that's it. Or no, we came to an agreement that I would only do 25 birds. Or I wouldn't even say that I wanted to do 25 birds. That's just what, we agreed on that way. I know I'm not gonna have the input, that comes with it, but I can't. When I heard when Mom placed my order, because again, I can't do things on my own. I'm dumb, stupid, and a whole bunch of other stuff. It came out to like $15 a bird. So let's do the math. 15 times what, 40? I originally wanted to do 45, but when I heard the price of how much that was going to be and all that, I was like, nope, there ain't no way. It came out to like 675 bucks. 45 times 15, and then I went to a lower number, and it would come out to like 375, or it was 675, and then I did 25 times $15 for 25 bird, and it come out to like 375 bucks. Much better with that. I'm gonna keep doing the birds. It's just I won't have any to supply the local feed store with that we got here in Ohio. But it is what it is. Times are getting tough. Inflation is stupid. But yeah, it's just stupid. So yeah, I'm not getting rid of the birds. I don't plan to getting rid of them completely. I never will, probably in my lifetime. I might downsize and keep downsizing and all that, but yeah, I had to make a hard decision, and that's what I come to. So yeah, while I still got you guys here, let's get something straight, okay? Just because my YouTube channel says Northeast Ohio farmer doesn't make me a farmer, or the fact that I live on a farm. Oh, there's buildings. He's a farmer. No. Let's get this straight again. I don't own nothing, okay? I don't own anything. The only thing that I own is this gator. Okay? That's the only thing that I own. And a four-wheeler that's in a building. That's it. That's it. I don't No, I don't own no buildings, no nothing. So y'all can just stop. It's getting a little old. Like, oh, talk to the farmer. Really? You're gonna go there and insult me like that? Thank you. I'm not a farmer. Again, I don't own nothing. I don't own no land, no buildings, no tractor. Well, yeah, I got 3010, but that's a different story. But I don't own it. It was given to me, so yeah, I don't own nothing. So stop. Yeah, I take that back. I own a... Well, I don't even own that. I don't even own nothing, which, you know, it'll happen when it happens, if it never does happen, because, you know, God has a plan, and yeah, I don't know what it is, but yeah, I just work on a farm. I don't, you know, own nothing. You know, it's different. Oh, he farms, you know, how many acres? Well, that makes him a farmer. You know? I just work for my dad, and that's it. I don't, you know, yeah, I'm just smart about it, but, well, not even that, because he laughs and says, oh, you idiot, why did you, you know, you ought to know better to put our stuff on YouTube. Well, you know, what the heck happens, you know, if somebody else has a 4020 or 2388 combine or a John Deere 7800 or 7810 or 7200 or 6120 that needs some help, you know? It don't hurt to go out and look at your tractor and then go back and say, oh, you know, ours has this. Why don't you check and see if yours has this. Okay? That's why I do YouTube. One, I don't drive, so I gotta have something to keep me busy, you know? Frickin' get your facts straight before you go and jump at me. But I'll just keep on doing what I'm doing, and them there haters, they can go and hate and do whatever the heck they want. I mean, yeah. So we will talk with you guys later. Thanks for watching this little rant, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you always enjoy my content as I try to present it in a somewhat lively and I don't even know what the other word I'm looking for is, but I hope you guys enjoy. We'll bring you back in another video. Thanks for watching, guys.